guys. In this tutorial, it's going to be on kicks. This will be a really quick one. There's actually a lot you can do with kicks, but you know, just another fundamental that you can add to your shuffling. So let's begin, okay? So when you are doing, the Melbourne Shuffle, you can add in kicks. Again, think of it like up, down, left, right, like you're on a clock or a grid. Okay, you can kick in any direction you want. I just want you to stand there in your spot. Just start by kicking out to your right or left. Okay, I'll turn around here like that. Kick left, kick right. Just get used to doing that. Okay. Kick front and back. Okay, you can do that, front or back, both legs. Try it. Okay. Pretty simple. Okay. An easy drill you can do. Try kicking with your T-step. I'm gonna scoot up here. So try, we've already gone over the T-step, right? Try, once you get your balance down with that, try kicking out like this. Okay? So see if you can work up to that, keep your balance while you're doing your T-step. This will be a good drill for you. So kick out, okay? Kick out like that. Now, if you're leaning over like this and you're working up to it, don't worry, that'll go away in time. Just keep practicing and try and straighten your posture. Okay? Obviously, all your weight is on this side of the body, on your leg, on your foot, So you can practice just like baby kicks like this. Okay? And you see how I'm T-stepping every time I go out. Okay, so instead of this, you're kicking out like that, okay? So practice that on the line in the tile, or at your home or wherever. Draw, if you need to go outside, draw a line with chalk or something like that. That's gonna help you. Like, do it, use your own discretion, but I would do it until my leg was literally sore. So, because I wanted to get that muscle memory down, built in. Do it maybe a couple times a week, like 2 or 3 times, like say Monday, right? And then give it a couple days rest and do the drill again, Thursday. And you'll notice the progression. You'll start going faster and faster. Okay. Use your arms for balance if you want. Okay. Okay. So, pretty easy. In the next video, with music, I'll definitely add in, running man, T-step, everything with kicks. But with just a simple running man, it's just gonna look like this. I'm gonna kick to my right, kick out, go back into a running man. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So just kick out, come back in, and go into a running man. Do it sideways here. So, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Okay, you don't have to use the counts, but it'll help you. So like say if I just, no counts at all, okay? Okay, see? So just literally right after the kick, go back into the running man. So use that momentum, because it's gonna if you're gonna kick hard too, you know, make sure you get ready for the, you know, it's gonna kind of push you to the left and the right, you know, like the momentum of it. See that? So if you're not ready for it, you could potentially fall. So you want to be careful. You can kick as hard as you want. You can add your arms. Okay, almost like kind of like in karate and stuff. Okay, you can kick as high as you want. Up. You can bend over more, or lean over more, I should say. You know? But generally you're not going to have them too high. Okay, but kicks are pretty basic. Okay, so here's the running man with the front kick and the back kick. Kick front, kick back. Okay, with the other foot, kick front, kick back. You can kick and like switch feet for like a drill like this. Kick, running man, kick, running man, kick, running man, kick. Okay, you can do that. I'll show you one little trick that I know just off the top of my head, and I'll try and come out with more later on. You can do a little swoop with your foot. Kick like that. So all you're doing is just let your leg and your foot loose, and use it to swoop. And you're going to turn or pivot on your foot like this. Okay. You can kick out like that. So what it would look like with a running man. Okay, so just a little something you can add in there. That's pretty much all I have now for you guys. This is just a basic fundamental on kicks. There are a lot of there are some different tricks you can do. There's another one you can do where you could kick across the body. So you can, while you're doing the T-step, kick, and then try kicking across your body like this. So you look at my foot, you know see how I'm doing the T-step? You're using your arms to shoot back and forth to keep you balanced. Okay? I'm going to go this way again, just watch. You can be as aggressive with it and kick as high as you want. Okay? So that's a really famous one that was used back in the day, and I use it a lot to help me travel. Yeah, you can start off with those for now. Try adding those kicks into your style, into your freestyle. Try, play around with the music. If the music pauses, try and kick in the air and then hold that maybe, and then go back and do a running man. Just find ways where you can add, front kick, back kick, left, right, cross the body. So yeah, that's it for now. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.